Hopefully everyone is doing well. Our today's target is to understand how to apply filters on Excel. Filter is basically used to collect data according to your choice. For example, we have some names over here. It can be numerical data or it can be alphabetical data. Let's say we are making a list with different names. So we are just going to make a list. So in short, we have different names, and in practical you have hundreds of alphabetic or numerical data in your Excel sheet, and you want to know the data of your own choice. I'm just giving you an example. Here you will put your search filter. At this stage, here first you will mention filter, and then you will select the range. For example, we have only 5 rows of data. No matter these are 5 rows or 5,000 rows, you will just mention the range and then a comma and then IS number. This is part of your function, and then you will introduce search button. From here you will choose the cell where you will write. For example, we will write over here our cell number. Once again you will choose the range, and you will see this is your performer. So just note down what we have done. Once again I'm telling you, first of all you will apply filter and the range upon which you want to apply that filter. Part of formula is IS number, and then you will put search, bracket will start, and then this is very important, the cell where which you will apply the filter. Whatever you will write in this cell, that would be searched. Once again, whatever you will apply the factor in this cell would be searched, and once again you will write next the range with which you want to search. Since you can see that the cell before search, here we haven't written anything over here right now, so whatever you will write in this cell, that would be searched because we have decided over here. Alright guys, so in this way, now since nothing is written in that cell, it means every alphabetic or numerical data which is present in the range would be appeared. Now you can see that all of the data has been appearing over here. So since we have selected this cell, and now I will apply another filter. Suppose I want to know the data which contains only K. So what will happen? You will see that this filter will search over here only the names which contains K. So I'm going to apply it and you will see the change. So here you can see that all those names which contains K is appearing over here. Filter is ready. Let's say you want to search the names which contains A and N. So here you can see that all names containing AN are appearing over here. Once again I can give you an example. Let's say you want to search J. So over here you will apply this filter. The name which contains J is over here. This is just for an understanding. Now it's up to you how better and how practical use you will be understanding and creating. So it's just request to please repeat and revise as many times as you can to understand this filter. This is so much useful where data is in thousands. Let's say from Lahore, from Gujranwala, from Sialkot, from Karachi, from Peshawar, from Quetta, a lot of numerical and alphabetical data is present, and you want to know only alphabetical data related to Lahore. So you will put over here Lahore, and the data containing Lahore would be appeared over here. So it's so important, so practically useful for you. So it's just a request to please repeat and revise and make a practical understanding. And if you still feel anything difficult, you are very welcome to share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly contact. I will humbly be trying my best to answer your question. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.